How to fix TikTok search not working. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your TikTok search not working. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. If not, head over to Play Store and search for TikTok. In case you see update sign here, tap on update. Then tap open your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now go onto your home screen and in case the search bar is not working for you, here is what you can do to fix it. Head over to your settings app, scroll below to apps, and search for TikTok. Go onto its storage and clear the cache. If you would like to clear the data, you can do that as well. But please be noted that if you delete your data, it will include all your files, settings, accounts, and databases. In case you would like to continue, tap on delete. Now head over to your TikTok application again. Go onto your profile and tap on three bar icon on your top right. Here tap on settings and privacy. And under cache and cellular, tap on free up space. Here clear the cache. And check if the search button works for you. If it still does not work, then re-log into your account. Tap on logout, tap on logout again. Get logged into your account again and this will fix your problem. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.